Assalamu alaikum students, my name is Khadija and I am your science teacher. Today we will continue our unit number 11, that is circuits and electric current. Today we will study about series and parallel circuits, but before starting our topic we will recall about electric circuit. What is a electric circuit? That is a complete or closed path through which charges can flow from the positive terminal to the negative terminal of a source of electrical energy, that is a battery or a cell. You can see in this picture also, this is a electric circuit, and you can see here that this is a closed or complete path through which charges are flowing from the positive terminal of the battery towards the negative terminal of the battery. An electric circuit is composed upon four main components, and those components are battery, that is the source of electrical energy, load, bulb, that is a load on which the charges do some useful job, copper wires, that are electrical conductors that are used to connect the components, and a switch that is used to open or close the circuit. Electrical circuits are classified into two main types on the basis of the arrangement of the components, and those types are series circuit and parallel circuit. Today we will discuss both of them one by one. First of all, we will discuss about series circuit. What is a series circuit? That is a circuit in which all the components are connected end to end in a line. That's why they make a single loop or path of current to form the circuit. You can see here, this is a picture of series circuit, and you can see here that in series circuit all the components are connected end to end in a line, and that's why they make a single loop or path of current to form a circuit. Second type is parallel circuit. In parallel circuit, bulbs are connected in branches that are parallel to each other. That's why they make multiple loops or paths of current. You can see here in this picture, this is a picture of parallel circuit, and you can see here that bulbs are connected in branches that are parallel to each other, and you can see here that multiple loops or paths of current are formed. And now we will discuss about the disadvantages of the series circuit. As we have discussed that in series circuit all the components are connected end to end in a line. That's why they have a single path of flow of current. So if one of the component is destroyed due to some reason, current through the whole circuit will stop. That is the disadvantage of the series circuit. Now we will discuss about the energy transfer in a circuit. The purpose of the electric circuit is to convert the electrical energy into other forms of energy. And in this conversion of energy, energy is transferred from the battery to the load. In the battery, there is a stored chemical energy that is used by it to do work on the electrical charges. This work drive them through the circuit, and the chemical energy is converted into electrical energy when they reach the load where the charges do work on the load, and electrical energy is then finally converted into light, heat or kinetic energy. That is how the energy transfer takes place in a circuit. You can see here in this picture also that this is a battery which have the stored chemical energy. This stored chemical energy will convert into the electrical energy in the wires, and that electrical energy will be converted into light energy and heat energy. Now we will discuss about the measuring voltage and current. While using the electric circuit, it is important to measure the current that flow through the circuit and also the voltage that is developed by the battery or a cell. These measurements are made by using different devices. We will discuss those devices one by one. First of all, we will discuss about ammeter. What is ammeter? Ammeter is an instrument that is used to measure the current flowing through a wire of a closed circuit. You can see here, this is a picture of ammeter. This is a ammeter and this is used to measure the current that is flowing through a wire of a closed circuit. Ammeter is always connected in series in a wire, and ammeter gives the value of current in amperes or milliamperes. You can see here, this is the symbolic representation of a circuit, and you can see here that ammeter is attached in series in the circuit. And now we will discuss about the voltmeter. Voltmeter is the instrument that is used to measure the voltage. Okay, voltage is basically the pressure from an electrical circuit power source that pushes charged electrons, that is the current, through the conducting loop to do work such as illuminating a light. So, voltmeter is an instrument that is used to measure the voltage developed by the battery in a circuit component of a closed circuit. You can see here, this is a picture of voltmeter, and voltmeter is always connected in parallel with the component, and voltmeter gives the value of voltage in volts or millivolts. You can see here, this is a symbolic representation of a circuit, and you can see here that voltmeter is connected in parallel to the component. Okay students, I hope you have understand all the things which we have discussed today. Thank you.